Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn the poem You Start Dying Slowly. The poem is written by Pablo Neruda. The present poem is an example of free verse because no stanza pattern followed, no rhyme scheme pattern followed. That is why it is called as free verse. Please open your books, page number 42. Look at the opening line. Look, students, most of the lines begin with the word if, means there is a condition. If we do certain things in our life, certain things will be fulfilled. Opening line. If we do not travel, if we do not read, if we do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. Now, the poet says that if you do not do these things referred above, then you are not living your life at its fullest. You are dying instead of living your life happily. Then, poet says that in order to live happy life, we must travel, we must read, and we must listen to the sounds of life. Sounds of life means various aspects of life, and we must appreciate ourselves. And if we are not doing these things, we are not living at all, we are dying. Now, the question is where to travel. Wherever we like. The place may be related to the history, geography, beauty, and nature, natural beauty, anything. It is depend upon our interest. We must travel, we must read, we must listen to the sounds of life. Our life is full of comedies and tragedies. Actually, combination of tragedy and comedy properly will be the ideal life. If we mix up tragedy and comedy equally well, our life will be very happy. Okay, because if we live only happy life, then we will think sometimes differently that I am getting happiness in my life continuously, and we will think our life is full of happiness. That is why tragedy, grief, sorrows are also equally important in our life. In order to know the value of happiness, we must face all these negative things. Then only can we will be mentally powerful, and our thoughts will be powerful, our way of living will be powerful, it will be different than the other people. Okay, now next, when you kill your self-esteem, self-esteem means self-respect. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Now the poet focuses on his requesting us, uh, when you kill your self-esteem, we must not kill our self-respect. Remember, everybody has self-respect, and we have to obey that rule. Okay, we must treat any person, whether he is poor or rich, okay, any person, with proper manners. When you kill your self-esteem, we should not kill our self-esteem. We shall or we should observe, we should follow some rules, regulations in order to live happy life. Okay, we must protect. Okay, we must stand fixed to our rules and regulations. When you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Remember, you think you are independent, you can live your life alone, but remember, man is a social animal and he cannot live without society. You can spend some amount of your life alone, but remember, you will face many problems. That is why you require society, family, friends, so many people in order to live happy life. Now look at the next lines. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. Now poet is saying that we should not become the slave of our habits. The person who becomes the slave of his habit will lose living, and he will lead a boring life. In order to live successful, happy, satisfactory life, we must not be the slave of our habits. Means we must not repeat the mistakes. We can commit mistakes, we can do mistakes, remember, but day by day we have to improve those mistakes. Repeating the same mistake again, again, and yet again, it is not the what we say smartness. We must not repeat the mistakes. We have to avoid repeating mistakes. We must not be the slave of our habits. We must keep ourselves away from bad habits. Walking every day on the same paths means we are doing the same thing again, again, and again. You do not change your routine. Actually, we are bored of our boring life. We have to introduce some innovations in our life. We should read, we should travel, we should sing, we should dance, we should share our experience with family members, friends, and the people on whom you believe. If we do not change our routine, we must change our routine. If that routine is very boring and repetitive, we must not be fixed to that boring routine. We must change that routine. If we do not wear different colors, remember, our life is full of various emotions. We must face all the emotions. Okay. Uh, in our life, a lot of sorrows are there, happiness is there. Okay. Smile is there, anger is there, so many things are there. Every human being, you go wherever, every human being face some basic problems. Basic emotions of human being are same. That is why if you do not wear different colors, you are dying slowly. You must wear different colors. Means you must face all the aspects of life properly. Or you do not speak to those you don't know. Look, here poet is saying that we must communicate with the strangers, unknown people. Generally we talk to our friends and known people. If we have the occasion to interact with the unknown people, stranger, then we will be shy in certain conditions. In order to live happy life, poet is saying that we must talk to stranger and unknown people. That is a kind of skill. Facing and communicating with the unknown people, strangers, is a kind of skill, and very few people know that. And if you are not doing these things, you are dying slowly. You are not living your life at its fullest. Now next, in the concluding part, if you avoid to feel passion and the turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. Remember, now poet says that we must be passionate. Whatever we do in our life, we must do that thing with passion. It should be our passion. But most of the people are doing the things only for the sake of money and getting happiness. Remember, if you follow your passion, your dream, then money, publicity, friends, family members, and all other remaining things will follow you. If you avoid to feel passion, you should not avoid to feel passion. You should be passionate. The turbulent emotions. Now, turbulent means unsteady, unstable. Remember, if we have a dream, if we have a particular aim in our life, then what will happen? We will not be steady. Our mind, our thinking, our action will be unsteady. We will change, we will follow those dreams. Okay. We must feel those turbulent emotions. Emotions means sentiments, feelings. Next, those which make your eyes glisten. Remember, we must feel passion towards our goals, towards our aims, towards our dreams. And your heart beat fast. Whenever we think about our aims, our heart should beat fast. Means we should think about our aims rapidly. And if these things are not happening in your life, you are dying. Okay, you start dying slowly. Remember, the aim and purpose of our life is not to earn money, publicity, all other things. Remember, generally aim of our life is to live our life happily. Now the concluding part, if you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after your dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. Now author the poet focuses on very important points in our life. If we do not change your life, here poet says that we must change our life. If we think we are living boring life, unhappy life, sad life, the life which is full of troubles, problems, difficulties, and quarrel, only negative things, we must try to change that life. When you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, now poet says that if you are not satisfied with your job, go away from that job. Remember, this world is full of jobs, professions, occupations, business, various ideas. You should leave that job and you can follow another one. It is not necessary to do only one job in our life. Here, the poet says that if you are not satisfied with your job, you can change, or with your love. If you are not satisfied with family members, with your wife, then there are so many legal ways that you can live away from them also with your love, means wife. Instead of quarreling, beating, and having negative things every day, you can live legally. And if we do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, you must take risk. You should not think that there are so many uncertain things it doesn't matter. You should follow uncertain things. Following uncertain things is a kind of good life. If you do not go after a dream, we must follow dream, and you must allow yourself to run away from sensible advice. Many people, that is your parents, teachers, elders, some people in the society, they advise you. Sometimes it is very good to run away from those sensible advice. Here poet is focusing on you should follow your inner voice. The poem is very easy, very good. In the present poem, the poet focuses on how to live our life happily with satisfaction and with positive things. Okay, read the poem. You can read translation in the guide. Thank you.